Learn 5 things that you didn't know about Azure App Service in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. Azure App Service is a family of services that you can use to run your applications in and include App Service web apps, mobile apps and Azure functions when they run on an Azure App Service plan. Here are 5 things that you didn't know about App Service. Number 1 is that you can create backups of your app service. You might have known that already, but did you know that the backup can contain your database and storage as well? When you configure a backup for your app service, you can select the data stores that you also want to back up. This results in one backup package that you can restore when things go wrong, which is really useful. The second thing is testing in production. You probably know about deployment slots and how you can use them to deploy versions of your app in, so that you can test them and can deploy without any downtime. When you have a deployment slot, you can route traffic to it, so that you can test if and how your users use your new features. Cool, right? The third thing is App Service Easy Authentication. Normally, when you implement authentication in your app, you need to change your code. Not with App Service Easy Authentication. You can just switch it on and it works. You choose what type of identity provider you want users to use and configure it, like Azure Active Directory here. I can choose Express Setup and leave all of this as is. And OK, now save it. And that's it. Once it is configured, I can go to the app service URL, which is this one. And here I am asked to log in without changing any code. Alright. The fourth thing is extensions. App Service comes with lots of features out of the box, and you can add more with extensions. You can add extensions from the gallery, which contains all kinds of extensions to monitor your app and do specific things. Check it out. And the final thing is running MySQL in your app service. You can run a MySQL database inside of your app service by enabling this and saving it. This creates a MySQL database that lives in the file system of the app service. Note that this database only exists within this instance of the app service. It won't be there when you scale to more instances. And I can manage it from here, just like a normal MySQL database. You can find the credentials for the database in the file system, which you can access through FTP or through Kudu, like this. When I go to the command prompt and the File Explorer, there is a file in data/MySQL called mysqlconst localdb.ini. Here it goes. This contains the credentials for the database. Azure App Service provides great services to run your applications in, and App Service comes with lots of features, including backups, testing in production, easy authentication, extensions, and MySQL in-app. Go and check it out.